once you can see the whiteboard.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Now.
Cannot hear you because the what about the class once and again come.
Yeah, you try once. I don't know. Une can hear me. I can hear her well, but I can hear you too. I don't know what is the problem.
Yeah, I can hear you too.
Oh. We can join the video together, right?
Yeah.
And if it is getting recorded in WizIQ, then that's great.
Yeah, it shows here that it's recording.
Oh, yes. Something for children in Gujarat.
And this is the presentation of Deepa. And when you also try, go to left side view button. Hello?
Hello, Une?
Yeah, Jipt.
When you just go to the left side, there's a new button is coming. New. On the board, a new button is coming. There's a drop down of arrow. Just put it, click it, and there is the option of YouTube, whiteboard, content, media player, and other things. So you just try anything YouTube link or content.
Hello?
To upload your presentation.
Yeah, hello, Une? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, just wait. Actually, you can't hear Dipti. I suppose she is instructing you for that. I will. Dipti? Wait. Une? You just do one thing. Go to new button. Go to new button. You can see the new button. New button. One drop down arrow is there. Drop down arrow is there. A third number content is there.
The drop down, my drop down is inactive.
No, it will be active.
Yeah, but nothing appears when I click on it.
Oh, because earlier Dipti was also struggling, but after some time, yes, Dipti? Huh? Now you check, Une, if it is working.
That's not.
It's not working. Why not?
I don't know.
Yes.
On the right side, then on the name will be coming, and then just cross on a pencil actually.
Okay.
You have to enable that.
Okay.
Then you can upload nicely.
Oh.
Now?
Now on the image side.
Now,
yes,
right?
now it's working. Yeah.
Oh,
it's working.
Now.
Go to new.
What did you do?
Content. Go to content now.
Yep.
I did actually.
On the drop down, then go to content, third option, and then it will be coming when choose a file. Then upload any of the slide or PPT.
Any slide and PPT. Try uploading that, Une. Are you getting no? Yeah.
Right? After it will be processed.
So I was asking, what did you do so that you can activate my drop down arrow?
I did.
I think Deepa has given a control from clicking on people.
No, I have a control of writing on board. So it might be for everything, even for sharing it is, I suppose.
Okay.
PPTs are on.
I'm putting it on now.
If all goes well, then tomorrow can we finish our this WizIQ final presentation also?
Yep.
Yes. Only 5 PPTs, 5 slides. That's all. Okay. All of us. Only 5 slides. 1 minute speaking. That's all.
Okay. And yeah, let us know if you got an email with the link with the recording. Otherwise, then we have to make a plan when we are presenting so that it's customer.
Yes. Once the meeting is over, then I will check and let you know. Okay. Though this meeting I have. Oh, this half of the meeting I have recorded with the screencast also.
Processing, uploading.
Yeah, it will take some time. Let us wait because we have some 10-15 minutes like that. So it will give you an idea. No, tomorrow we will quickly finish our presentation.
Yeah. Can you see my PowerPoint?
No. Is it there? Your PowerPoint is there?
Yep.
You have to go to review. And there's a tab of share. Just click on share.
Une?
Yeah.
Une?
Yeah.
Your files are your PPTs are visible to you, right?
That's
now,
correct.
Bottom of your PPT. Yeah, come to the bottom of your PPT. You will find there navigating two left and right arrows for navigation, right? Are you finding?
Yeah.
Bottom of your PPTs. Yeah. There you are might be finding one icon of share. Icon. Only two V and dots like that.
I don't see that.
At the bottom of your you can see your full PPTs.
Yep. I see. Yeah, I see most of it.
A complete PPT you could see now. So come down at the bottom of your PPTs. Scroll down little bit.
There is only options of like home,
preview.
Yeah, preview. Yeah.
And then next to it is share button. Click that. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming.
Yeah.
Can you see now?
Yes. Tags and highlighter. Sorry, I'm just trying with the highlighter. Anna is in the golden presentation. She's presentation is waiting for us. So what we should do next?
What? Anna has presentation today?
Should we leave this class and go to Anna?
Yeah, send me the link.
She will join the Govin's class.
She has joined?
So for the presentation today?
Are you talking to me or somebody else?
No, yeah, your GoBrunch, how to create a meeting on GoBrunch, right?
I'll show you my presentation
that's right.
on GoBrunch today, and Anna will join the